Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I am back for the second week in 2021 and it is crazy because I am loving that I don't have to redate this planner now because I am in the correct dates. I am using this super pretty kit from Let's Plan It. I'm using the boxes that I can write on, the supplemental sheet, and the deco sheet. Whew, say all that. All right, so we are going to start in the lower right hand corner and I'm going to layer that torn corner piece with a full box, and then also put my meal planning in the lower left hand corner. And I love all of these together, so I'm sort of layering now a piece of the washi over that and then adding the meals as well. So now you can see it's sort of just a big cluster of 5 different elements right there. And I like it. The colors are just spot on too. I love them, like the pale pink and the pale blue and the pale purple. It really has that wintry, dark evening kind of feel. This is a sticker book, like sticker paper sheets. This is where I put my sticker shop stickers when the sheets are finished. And I was looking for a tooth icon. My son has an orthodontist appointment. I knew I had full sheets of them, but I thought that I might have a tooth one in that book where I keep those extra ones. So like, for example, there's one sticker left on a sheet, I transfer it from that sheet to the book, then I throw it away. It's just like that Happy Planner sticker book that I have created, but not Happy Planner stickers. It is little shops just like Let's Plan It. All right, so I'm going to do a similar thing down in the lower right hand corner, this time a floral torn looking corner from the supplemental sheet. And then I will also layer, I love the supplemental sheets. They're so cute. But so I'm going to stick first with just that one. Then now we're going to move up to the top and do a solid lavender torn corner with the full box, and then also a floral washi. I like to change up the elements. So for example, right there, the corner is floral, the big box is a tree, and then we have a solid like torn decal edge circle. And you have a solid, you have a pattern, and then you have an image. So like a little bit of each. I don't always obviously do that same thing. I like to keep it different, but I do like to vary it up in each cluster. So each cluster usually has a variety of different, either like a solid pattern with an image or a solid color with an image or something like that. So that's it for the week. Super fast. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them in the box below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much and make it a great day.